Energize review. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and this is my Energize review or Energize app review. Whatever it is, we will review it, and I do have a $6,447 bonus to it. Guys, this is a brand new system released by Glynn Kosky, and if you ever got one of his products, you know that everything is included within his system. So traffic, commissions, all of it is done for you. So before I'm going to show you the huge bonus I have, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this Energize review. Guys, you know that if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description takes you to my blog review. From here, if you will decide to pick up your copy, just click on any one of these blue links. All of these are my affiliate links, and this way you will get my bonus. 10 a.m. Eastern on June the 2nd is when Energize goes live. Now, first of all, I will give you free done-for-you products to sell, and these are my own W's of the Day awarded products, and I'm giving you full PLR license to it, so you can sell them, bundle them together, give them away for free. You can rename them, re-edit them, you can do whatever you want with these. And I'm also giving you 49 done-for-you emails and 5 done-for-you affiliate marketing campaigns, and I have a ton of additional bonuses. These are just the first 3. And with that being said, let's check out the sales page. So as you can see, it says Energize, world's first high-ticket elite commission app for 2021. In 60 seconds flat, clone our automated high-ticket commission system with free buyer traffic from 400 million plus visitors. So what makes this really different on the market right now is the high-ticket commissions right here. All of this is included and done for you. So we have some proof right here from ClickBank products. From Glynn right here, we have some testimonials. We have Glynn Kosky, that's the guy behind this product, and the sales page is pretty long, so feel free to check all of it out. You know, all the proof, all the testimonials, all the screenshots they have. Energize is the name of this new product, and they do have some bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of it, and obviously they have a money back guarantee, so no risk on your part. That's essentially it. Let me show you the inside of the members area. This is how it looks like. Okay, so guys, first of all, we have the dashboard, we have the welcome video, and then we have tutorials. So all the video training on how to use the software, how to get traffic, how to set all of this up, and how to get commissions will be included. So we have the welcome to Energize video, we have the setup, the integrations, the social media, delivery, we have campaigns, we have upgrades, we have bonus builder, we have traffic strategies lesson number 1 and number 2 and number 3. Also free traffic sources, we have affiliate marketing blueprint making you $10,000 per month, and additional Bitcoin resources right here. So this is all the training, and then as you can see, we have your campaign. So what Energize comes with is 4 done for you campaigns. So we have the 12-minute affiliate campaign, passive income system, the fast tracks, and tube mastery. So all of these are done. All you have to do is just click on publish right here, and you can start making money with this immediately. Then you can edit these campaigns, and you can also delete them. So let me click on publish right here, and as you can see, we have the squeeze page URL, the webinar page, and the download page. So again, this is all about high ticket commissions. That's why instead of a regular sales page, we have this webinar page. So we can copy anyone we want, and we can start sending traffic to it. So we have the view page, the embedded page, the download pages, and you can download all of it if you want to. So again, all of this is done for you. These 4 high ticket promos are done for you, but you can also start a campaign from scratch if you want to. So you can click on create a new campaign, and from here, as you can see, all we have to do is add a title, your affiliate link, your gifts if you want to. Then we have your headline, your bullet item 1, 2, 3, and 4, your image. We can add a timer or not if we want to. We can add an exit redirect if we want to or not. We have the webinar video right here. We have a timer. Again, these timers help with sales. We have choose an autoresponder, because obviously you can hook up your autoresponder to it. We have the list, and then you just click on create a new campaign. So that's how you can create your own campaigns if you don't want to use the ones that are included. Then we have bonus campaigns, as you can see. So all of these campaigns are done for you. We have the ambassador program, we have CB passive income, we have commission hero, 6-figure success academy, and it's the same exact thing. We can just publish them, edit them, or delete them, or again, we can just start a campaign from here. Next up, we have your affiliate links. So here we have campaign links. This is where you're going to be grabbing your campaigns. So all you have to do is just click on get affiliate link and you're going to be redirected to the JV page for the product that you want to promote. Now these are ClickBank products, which means that you don't have to wait for approval. You're going to get approved instantly. Then we have free traffic. So obviously you want to send as much free traffic as you can. I already showed you all the video training on how to get traffic. Now check this out. We have this video right here, the welcome video, and then we have additional traffic apps that you're going to be getting with Energize. So the first app that will generate traffic for you is Affiliate Traffic Lab. This is a W's of the day. You can register for free. We have app number 2 and number 3, Viral Newsjacker and Tube Traffic Machine, which means that you're going to get 3 additional pieces of software for free. So with Energize, it's like getting 4 pieces of software, 4 apps for the price of 1. Then we have additional more free traffic resources. So we can click here for more traffic and additional traffic training. You can join a traffic pool as well. So if you want to do this, just click on this red button and we have an additional traffic guide, and we have an additional product vault and zero cost business startup guide. So guys, Glynn really made sure that you have all the resources right here ready, and these are multiple traffic sources, not just one, which makes this absolutely perfect. That's essentially it. We have some upgrades right here, but we'll talk about the upgrades in a second. And going back to the dashboard, you can control all of this right here on the dashboard. So in a nutshell, I really like it because if you are a beginner, you can just hook this up and start getting high ticket commissions immediately because these are done for you and the traffic sources simply work. So that's what's on the inside. Let's check out the pricing. As you can see, what you're going to be paying for Energize is $17. Now this is the early bird price, to make sure to shop early to actually grab it for $17 because the price will be rising every hour. Then we have 6 one-time offers you will be presented with. OTO number 1 is the unlimited version for $67. OTO number 2 is 100% done for you for $97. OTO number 3 is unlimited traffic for $97. OTO number 4 is the automation edition, $67. OTO number 5 is ATM edition, $67. And OTO number 6 is license rights for the whole funnel, and you're going to be paying $197. Guys, OTOs are optional. All of these upsells are optional. You'll be fine with the main version of Energize alone. Everything I showed you inside this video will be included in the main version, but maybe if you want the unlimited version or the done for you pack, you can definitely pick up one of these. Now let me show you the rest of the bonuses I have in store for you. Again, make sure to actually use my link to pick up your copy of Energize. Click on any one of these blue links from my blog. Again, from YouTube, the first link in the description takes you to my blog review. The second link will take you directly to the sales page after 10 a.m. Eastern on June the 2nd. So I told you about the free done for you courses to sell. I told you about the 49 done for you emails. I told you about the 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. I will also give you free custom made bonuses. There are 3 different ways to get traffic for free, and I'm also giving you PLR license to these. So I created these myself, and you can do whatever you want with these. You also gonna get Affiliate Traffic Lab as a bonus. That's a piece of software: copywriting automated software, opt-in fire software, virtual machine software, affiliate warrior software, affiliate promotion software, extreme affiliate page software, $500 CPA every day, $200 cash hack, $300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method, 2000 CPA traffic jacker, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission toolbox, 100 CPA every day, pure profit payday, WP video, viral click, WP affiliate advantage, image plus, list building expert, 100 e-course publishing tips, speedy content publishing tips, slide shared tips videos, big traffic fire sale, IM strategy, content marketing blueprint, Facebook ads domination, free business and free business pro, get started SEO, monetizing your blog, newbie traffic system, page 1 ranking, SEO and traffic strategies, traffic unleashed, unlimited niche, Viking email marketing, Instagram marketing, Pinterest marketing, YouTube rank analyzer, and on top of all of this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, which is 152 W's of the day and product of the day awarded products, plus additional plugins and software. And that is why the total value of this bonus package is $6,447. All of these bonuses are yours for free from me, just to say thank you for picking up Energize through my link. As always, guys, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so feel free to check it out. And right now, I think we can sum up this Energize review. You're going to be getting a lead buyer traffic in under 60 seconds. Again, everything is included, done for your campaigns, done for your promotions, traffic. All you have to do is just integrate it. You're going to be getting a secret source of 400 million buyers, 100% done for your campaigns, and this is a 100% done for your system. All traffic is free and it's included. This is designed for beginners. So again, if you are a complete beginner, you can just pick this up, click a few times, and you are good to go, and you're getting a 180 days money back guarantee, so no risk on your part. What I don't like about Energize, now it is a done for you system, so you do have to use it as is. Now, if you would like to promote our webinars, obviously I already showed you that you can, but it is a little bit more complicated, but I think it has the best of both worlds. So if you're a beginner, just use it as is with the done for you promotions. If you're a little bit more advanced, you can use it with the create a new campaign. So again, that's just something to keep in mind, not necessarily a negative thing. So guys, for the last time, make sure to use my link to pick up your copy. All of these blue links are my affiliate links, and before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. All you have to do after using my link is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So click on your icon with your name, go to the purchase history, click on Energize, and below the button that says click here to access your purchase, you should see another one saying bonuses from Art. Again, this will only work if you used my link. For the last time, 10 AM Eastern on June the 2nd is when Energize goes live. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao!